Drinking 2 tablespoons before meals can repair kidney damage and protect you from the biggest health danger in the world. Welcome to Davao Kidney. If you are new here, my name is Catherine and I've been working with people suffering from kidney problems for almost 10 years now. Today, we are going to see how to use the most underestimated home remedy on earth to lower your creatinine levels. And I'm not exaggerating here. While some people consider it just a bland dressing, this remedy has a list of proven health benefits that will make some of the best supplements out there disappear. Yes, this cheap and easy to find home remedy is proven to help with gut health, weight loss, cholesterol levels, and to fight diabetes. And I particularly love adding it to my salads, my smoothies, and I also drink it sometimes. Yes, I'm talking about raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar, or ACV in short. This dressing you see here can seriously help you lower your creatinine levels. Unfortunately, ACV also comes with a serious hidden danger. Yes, don't drink ACV without watching this video till the end or you will be taking unneeded risks. Before that, let's see what happens to your kidneys when you drink 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before your main meals. First of all, you will be preventing your blood sugar levels from spiking. Several studies show that consuming real ACV can significantly increase insulin response and lower blood sugar levels, with great benefit for the kidneys and not just for people with diabetes. The second thing that will happen when you use ACV regularly is that it will be easier for you to lose weight. ACV is calorie-free, adds lots of flavor to food, and most importantly, there are studies showing that it works to help weight loss. In this study, the participants drank 15 milliliters of ACV with lunch and dinner and followed a slightly caloric restrictive diet. Those who didn't take ACV lost just 5 pounds over 12 weeks, while those in the ACV group lost almost double that. Talking about a blunt condiment. And the researchers also found that ACV decreased cholesterol levels and that the ACV group lost more visceral fat. Now, this is a very important discovery because visceral fat is the #1 cause of diabetes and many other metabolic disorders. And this study also supports the theory that ACV may help with high blood pressure. And if this is not enough, other studies found out that your potassium levels will also go down slightly with ACV. While I won't rely on ACV alone to control potassium levels, this benefit can still be useful for those in the advanced stages of CKD. But those with diabetes are going to get the greatest benefits from drinking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before their meals. Several studies have associated regular ACV consumption with lower blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity, up to 34% better, which is frankly amazing. But this also means that if you want to use ACV to improve your health, you will want to monitor your blood sugar closely and to write down everything, so your doctor will be able to lower your dose for medications. In short, drinking ACV regularly can help with diabetes, high cholesterol, gut health. It is even proven to help you lose weight. Now guys, this is an impressive list of health benefits for what some people consider just one of the blandest dressings. Now unfortunately, ACV comes with 2 hidden dangers you should absolutely know about before starting to use it. First of all, ACV can damage your teeth. While ACV is not acidifying for the kidneys, it's still acid, and simply put, acid is bad for your teeth. If you're bathing your teeth in an acid, it's going to cause the enamel to weaken. But there are ways to prevent this. You can drink it from a straw, for example. In alternative, you could brush your teeth before consuming ACV and then rinse with fluoride mouthwash after the meal. This would solve the first problem. The second is the food industry. They have been trying to ruin ACV for years. In fact, store-bought ACV will mostly look like this. This is clear. You can see through it. It means that it has been filtered and pasteurized. It's not what you want. You want real, raw, unpasteurized ACV with the mother. That means that some of the original fermented yeast is present in the bottle, like this. This is important because when apple cider vinegar undergoes a slow fermentation process, it creates a buildup of yeast and sugars, which is also a probiotic. This buildup of desirable micronutrients is called the mother. The mother is a buildup of desirable micronutrients. This is also a probiotic, making it even healthier. You'll find this in certain brands of raw apple cider vinegar. And I know that in the US, this brand here actually means apple cider vinegar, but there are also other brands that I can trust, like this one. So, you don't necessarily have to pay for the name brand. You just have to read the label and see if the product looks like real unfiltered ACV. And remember that pasteurized ACV doesn't have the same benefits, and they will write it on the bottle when their ACV is raw and unpasteurized. Once you find real ACV, the best way to consume it is to dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water, drink it before meals and first thing in the morning when it has the greatest reducing impact on blood sugar. And guys, let me know if you are already using ACV or if you plan to start using it. And a great way to add ACV to your diet will be to incorporate it into my super healthy kidney tea. Yes, a tea with ACV, and I tell you a secret, it tastes great! Wanna know more? Watch my video up here. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.